Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to disable Google Assistant from your home button on your Android device. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. So first you need to open your phone settings. In the phone settings, go to apps and notification, and here guys, scroll down. Here you can get the option advanced. Just tap on it, open default apps. Okay, and here you can get the option assist and voice input. Just tap on it, and once again tap on assist app like this, and here you need to select none option. That's it. Now it will disable the Google Assistant from your home button, as you can see guys. So this is the easy and very simple method to disable the Google Assistant from your home button on your Android phones. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.